Most people go to school, graduate and get a job they love. And although there's nothing wrong with that, I walk a different path. As a kid, I already spent hours drawing, doodling and creating. Imagination is a powerful thing. Studying painting at college made me realise I wanted to be an artist for the rest of my life. I went on to do a 3-year painting course at the Wimbledon College of Arts, but after a while I figured out this just wasn't the path I was meant to follow. So I made one of the biggest decisions in my career to date. I left school to pursue my dreams on my own. What makes my work truly unique is the layer of glue I add on top of the painting. It's really satisfying to me. I can be more creative and fluid in my art. The painting really comes to life. I still have the painting where I first used this technique. It's displayed in my hallway. Adding glue creates a 3-dimensional element. It allows people to be able to actually touch my work, to really experience it. Inspiration for the models I use in my paintings I find on social media. I'm able to scroll hours and hours looking for that one perfect photograph before I start sketching and gluing. Working part-time in an art gallery is an incredible source of inspiration for me as well. By being able to see all the different styles from the artists in the gallery, I have picked up so many different techniques and materials that I now incorporate in my work. For me, glue is the finishing touch to my art. There is something magical about it. The shadows and the faces I have drawn guide me when adding the glue. I recently started introducing diamonds, gold leaf, gold gild and diamond dust into my glue pieces. The gold leaf is a really thin sheet of gold that I lay on top of the glue after the glue has dried. The other technique I use is diamond dust, which is tiny bits of crushed up glass that I sprinkle over the piece and seal with a varnish spray. Dropping out of art school was one of the most terrifying things I did. Being only 20 years old, I can't wait to see what the future brings me. I have always believed in myself when it comes to my artwork, and I wouldn't go a day without creating anything. I think there are so many people in life who are doing jobs they don't love, and I wish everyone could take the leap that I took and do what they love most.